My name is Monica.
My name is Kalyani Kaushik.
Today we are going to demonstrate a pop-sound test of hydrogen. As we know, hydrogen is the non-poisonous, colorless, odorless, tasteless at ordinary temperature. It is the gas which is lighter than the air. It is a combustible gas, so it is used as a rocket fuel and many other advantages of it without any pollution.
Here, zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid to give zinc chloride and hydrogen gas.
So I demonstrate you. Here I arrange the setup in which inverted tube is placed. Here conical flask. Here hydrochloric acid. I add some zinc granules. Here zinc and acid reacts to produce hydrogen gas. Now going for test. This colorless gas has confirmed that it is hydrogen.